we ready? Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Today we're going to be reviewing tax certificates. It is that time of year again. Before we go over that, we're going to do our mission. Our mission is to provide our neighbors the highest level of customer service through innovative technology and highly trained professionals while maintaining the public trust. Our vision is to be the standard by which the ultimate customer experience is measured. Our core value is integrity, May 15th through June 16th. Maintain a professional high standard. Admit your mistakes. Do the right thing, not ourselves and others. So the overview today will be understanding tax certificates, how to inform your customer about the tax certificates. And the resource today was iConnect iTools Taxes. And a special reminder is that tax certificates are liens placed on the property. Some dates to remember, specifically May 31st, which this year is going to be Wednesday. It's the last day to pay with a personal check for 2016. Unpaid taxes became delinquent on April 1st. After real estate taxes became delinquent, they are advertised in a local newspaper prior to the tax certificate sale for 3 consecutive weeks. St. Lucie County tax certificate sale registering and bidding began May 5th, and the batches start closing on May 25th and 26th. Real quick. The tax certificate sale will take place online May 25th and 26th, and that's at bidstlucie.com, in case you guys weren't aware of that, and is now open for bidders to register, place bids, and become familiar with the website. If they want to go ahead and do that now, they can get online. The delinquent list can be found at the website. For more information on the process, please visit tcslc.com. Tax certificates. When a certificate is sold against a piece of property, the successful bidder pays the delinquent taxes on that property and receives a certificate which constitutes as a first lien against the property. The bidder who is willing to accept the lowest rate of interest is awarded the certificate. A tax certificate sale, not a sale of land, but rather a lien against the subject property. An individual certificate is sold for each year that taxes were not paid. So there may be several tax certificates on a piece of property. It is possible that one real estate account can have multiple certificate years with different bid winners. If a certificate remains unpaid for 2 years, the delinquency date, the certificate holder has the option to file a tax deed application with the tax collector. The property owner is notified of this action, and if the owner does not pay the taxes, the property is auctioned off online by the clerk of courts. So the process is delinquent tax, tax certificate, tax deed, auction. The life of the certificate is 7 years. Tangible personal property taxes become delinquent April 1st of each year as well. Within 45 days after the personal property tax becomes delinquent, a list of delinquent tangible personal property taxpayers will be advertised once in the local newspaper. Does anybody have any questions so far? Port St. Lucie?
No questions here.
Perfect. Payment options. Certified funds, guaranteed funds such as cash, cashier's check, money order, debit card, or credit card. If the customer wishes to pay by personal check, must be processed as an advance deposit. Please make the customer aware of that. They will be putting in that in advance deposit if it's going to be paid by personal check. Also, make sure that they're aware of the $2.50 fee for debit and 2.5% credit card fee for third-party fee per transaction. Anything over $100, again, is 2.5% on a credit card. Anything under that is $2.50. So just make your customer aware of that. The exception for checks from title companies, mortgage companies, and attorney escrow accounts do not need to be posted in advance deposit. For 2016 taxes, we will still accept personal checks through the last day of May. Delinquent taxes must be paid in full. Local checks are held 2 weeks, 10 business days for St. Lucie County, Martin County, and Indian River County. Any check not issued from a bank in a local area is considered an out-of-area check and will be held for 3 weeks. Out-of-country checks will be held for 4 weeks. So if it's coming from Canada, it's going to be a 4-week hold. If you are processing a check as advance deposit, please look at the date. If the date is posted or falls within the next month, collect for the next month it'll actually be posted in. This is another reason you want to make the customer aware that we are now able to take debit cards. If it comes down to us having to collect a higher fee for the following month, they may go ahead and put it on their account, their debit account. Also be mindful because if there's a holiday that falls inside of that, that is not considered a business day, so you will have to account for that as well. So we have some Q&A. When do real estate taxes become delinquent? Anybody? April 1st, that is correct. When do tangible property taxes become delinquent? April 1st, same as real estate. When is a tax certificate sale? Anybody? Sorry? It's actually they can go online and start registering on the 5th. However, the sale starts the 25th and the 26th. How long is the life of a certificate?
7 years.
7 years. How long do we hold an out-of-area check?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. 15 business days. So just as a reminder, guaranteed funds must be presented when paying delinquent real estate taxes. Anybody have any other questions other than what we just went over? Port St. Lucie?
We have none here.
Very good. Just a thought of the day. You don't have to be crazy to work here, but we'll train you. And a couple of updates and important reminders. Remember to use the checklists in iTools that have been created for your assistants. So if you have any issues, you can use those. An important reminder, Bureau of Administrative Review will be closed for training on the 23rd, the 24th, and the 25th. So if you have any customers that you need to send over there, just make them aware that they will be closed on those days. Also, I showed you all the update for immigration on employment authorization cards. If you go out to uscis.gov, you will also find that the green card has made some changes as well, and that was released on the same date. So if you just check that website so you're familiar with what's going to be coming in. Mila?
So, what are we going to direct the customers to contact for?
I would direct them to Tallahassee. I would give them the customer service number for Tallahassee.
They used to have a number in Palm Beach.
And they may have a number on the door over there. I don't know because they used to put a posting over there. But I would just 850-617-2000. Yeah.
Marilyn, what was the question, please?
The question was, where can they direct them to bar if bar is closed? I would just suggest calling Tallahassee customer service. Okay?
Okay.
Some upcoming training on the 23rd is going to be the hazmat procedure, and Dana will be presenting that. 525 training game with Dana, and 6/1 we'll have the monthly scavenger hunt. And if there's nothing else, I hope you all have a super fantastic day. It's almost Friday.
Yes,
Take care.